Hi guys, welcome to another video. Let's talk about situation with Herbalife stock and what's going on. Who are the holders and what is my recommendation? And let's check out the facts what Warren Buffett said about Herbalife. Okay, now let's check out the last my video about Herbalife, my first and last video. Okay, let's start here.
Buy this stock as a part of your portfolio as diversification.
So I recommend here to buy this Herbalife stock as a part of your portfolio, and let's make the speed here like this. Okay,
Hold for long term, minimum 2 years or more, or maybe 5 years or 4, or maybe after 1 year the price may pump. No one know the correct number or date.
okay guys, I recommended to buy Herbalife with 631, and I recommend it here around like this 631, like this point. Okay, and after my recommendation, yes, it's crashed in momentum, but after a while it's just go to the high. Okay, let's take from that point around 631, yes, 32. And how much it grows? It grows in moment 40%, but now it's already 30% profit. That's it. But who bought here on this 523? They are lucky and they have better profit with uh, close to 70% profit, and now at the moment is 58% profit. About Herbalife buying now, it is not good entry point because it's already 60% expensive than this lowest point. That's why I don't recommend. But let's check out the holder changes, and before that let's check out this video that Warren Buffett said that he not trust of Herbalife. I made this in my previous video about Herbalife nutrition stock.
The activist investor, who's also a Berkshire investor as well. Okay. Bill Ackman, the activist investor, who's also a Berkshire investor as well, has raised questions in recent months about the legality of the multi-level marketing company Herbalife. He called it a pyramid scheme. Berkshire owns a multi-level marketing company too, the Pampered Chef. Will Ackman's attack on Herbalife have any impact on the Pampered Chef?
This person is asking to Warren Buffett about Herbalife, and I will show you update about holders of Herbalife, and here we can see who are the holders, major holders, top institutional holders, and we can see here Goldman Sachs Group, Warren Buffett holding Herbalife, voila! And here December 31, 2024, and Goldman Sachs Group holding 3% of Herbalife shares. It's around $25 million, but Herbalife, Warren Buffett is saying that he not trust Herbalife. Let's look on this.
Chef or Berkshire? And do you believe Ackman's concerns are legitimate? How do you think about the debate over multi-level marketing companies and decipher which ones are legitimate and which ones are not?
Yeah, I don't know anything. I've never actually even looked at a 10K of Herbalife, so I do not know about their operation. But I think the key, obviously, is whether a direct marketing operation is really based on selling products to would-be distributors of one sort and loading them up and instead of in effect selling it to end users. And a Pampered Chef is a million miles away from anything where the money is made in any way by selling to level A and then those people selling to level B and all that sort of thing. It is true that certain people, lots of people, get paid on the results, the selling results of other people that they recruit. But this business of loading up people with a couple $100 or the package of something that they never sell, and that being sort of the main business, and I don't know anything about Herbalife on this. I do know about Pampered Chef, and that is not Pampered Chef's business. Pampered Chef's business is based on selling to the end user, and we have thousands and thousands and thousands of parties every week where people who are actually going to use the product buy it from somebody, and we are not making the money by loading up people and then having them leave the sales force and our profit coming from that. Charlie?
All right, guys, just I show you that Warren Buffett didn't trust Herbalife, or just he did, especially with this video about Herbalife, that negatively, but actually he hold Herbalife stock, by the way. And let's check out the previous video, who are the holders, and now it's the last update. Okay, let's check out the video about holders here, top institutional holders. let's check out this video that I made it already.
Additional holders here, Vanguard Group is number one with 10%, around $67 million value, and the second one is this investment company with $55 million, is close to 9%. Here, Vindex Partnership LLC, the
I want to see actually Goldman Sachs is here or not.
third place, shares is close to 8 million shares, and date reported here, and $51 million invested.
Please keep in attention that these data are reported in September 30, 2024.
And also there are funds that are not reported actually, and we don't know actually. Here is BlackRock in this place, and also $48 million. And let's see, Morgan Stanley, one of the favorite funds, Bank of Montreal, and also another funds are available. Let's see top mutual fund holders, Vanguard Trust Stock.
Okay guys, anyways, here was no Goldman Sachs, but now at the moment, the last update, it's showing that Goldman Sachs Group hold this Herbalife stock, and Goldman Sachs is Warren Buffett also. So this is about that information. Vanguard Group in the first place, you can see shares here, 93 million, and BlackRock come to the second place with holding. But in previous video that I showed you, here is no BlackRock in the second place. We can see BlackRock here in another place.
48.
By the way, this is about holders update, by the way. Alright guys, this is about information and my recommendation about Herbalife. Stay away buying right now in this price. It's better to buy at this point and lower of this point, maybe $5 or like that. Who didn't bought, okay, forget about this stock, but if you want to buy, and if the case that price will come here with 6.24 and 6, it's good, will be good option for you to buy. But now, by the way, Fair and Greed Index is showing the fair and people are buying Herbalife in this moment, in this price, and this means they are great because this is green line, and 1 year price target here just 4%. And it's not sense investment right now. But when I made video about Herbalife, it's what made sense to buy. But now let's see the difference when you are buying now in current price and when you bought at $5, and let's see what's difference. Okay, when you are buying in now in current price, let's check out the price. In case of $22, it's 169%. In the case of all-time high, it will be already 658%. Okay, what if you buy at that $5? That's the lowest point of Herbalife. That here, let's make difference. On this point, it will be already 300%. It will be different. Yes, it's difference, and it's big difference. And here on the all-time high, it will be 1000%, 1050, and that's different. And it's better to buy when everyone fair. Warren Buffett also said it's need to buy when everyone fair to buy and everyone are selling on this red line, because you are buying on this green line, it means grid line, grid, and crash, you are catching crash. Buying here, catching crash. Buying here, coming up, catching crash. Buying here, coming up and catching crash again. For example, buying here, again catching crash. So that's why I don't recommend to buy now. And maybe someone are selling. If you want to sell in the short term, you can do also. If you invested here at 5, you can also sell with 50% of profit in average. If you are short-term investor or just say trader, you are buying here, selling here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video not helpful, then dislike my video. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Okay, I have a Telegram channel about investing in crypto and stock market. My thoughts, my podcast, you can find out in my Telegram channel. Link down below in the description, you can join her. Alright guys. What you think about Herbalife stock? Write comments down below and I will read comments about Herbalife. Are you holding it or not? Are you sold it or not? Are you lost money in Herbalife or not? What your feedback about my video, your opinion about my video. And also I will leave the link down below of my previous video about Herbalife, and also here you can check out the video about Herbalife that I made it. Okay, I am saying see you the next video. Bye bye. Again, final time reminder for you. It's late to buy now. It's better to buy lower than $6. Wait for a crash. If it will be no happen, okay, forget about the stock and check out other stock. There are a lot of opportunities. Okay, no worries.